Hello, good day everybody. It's 4:37 p.m. Nigerian time. That's about 3:37 p.m. GMT. My attention is drawn to a particular setup I spotted on the daily time frame of the Euro and Euro Australian dollar, and I intend trading this setup, or rather, I already made an entry based on this setup. This is a closing price reverse price action setup, and it is from just at about resistance zone. This is my resistance zone. This point here. Remember, I talked about in one of my other videos. I mentioned how to use a PISA to aid the search of support and resistance lines, and that's exactly what I've done here. That's my resistance line, and we have some reaction here, and this is a major reaction here. So price reacted to this resistance line, and my expectation is for price to probably be pushed into this region. This is a minor support zone. So what have I done? I'm creating this setup, but I just didn't make the entry based on maybe 50% replacement, just like that. I went down to the 1 hour time frame, and what did I get in the 1 hour time frame? This. Let me get back to daily, so I can really identify this. So with this, we can see exactly what happened on the day on the 1 hour time frame. So on the day, this is exactly what happened. We had a break of the PISA, first break, second break of the PISA, and from top to bottom, this move is about 150 pips, 156 to 7 pips. I couldn't have made a direct entry here because the stop loss would have been too large. So all I did was to wait for the retracement on this particular trade. So this happened on Thursday. On Friday, we got this swing high here based on the 1 hour time frame, and let me just mark that. So my entry was based on the assumption that price would come back and hit this swing point, then come right back into my take profit zone. So based on that, I didn't want to miss the trade, so I guess I was a little bit too greedy. So I placed my entry just at the open of this very long bearish bar here, and that's my stop loss over there. The stop loss is about the stop loss is about 100 pips. I'm going for about 160 pips. So if it does go well, if my target gets hit, that would be a good 1 to 1.5 risk reward ratio, which won't be bad for the counter trend price action trading. So yes, I'll just pause this now and we'll see what happens. Oh, one more thing. There's a reason why I had to put my take profit at this point. You notice that this is a very significant event area. This PISA was never broken from from down here up till this point. This was the first point it got broken. So my target is to get as far as the beginning of the trend on the 1 hour. So hopefully this is how I take my profits on the lower from the lower time frames. Then if you look at this on the higher time frame, the daily time frame, you see exactly what I mean by that. So you can see where the target is. The target is just at about this event area here, which is not too bad at all. So at the end of maybe today, we'll see how price have reacted. Thank you very much.